I felt a little spine tingly there.
Hairs on the back of my neck stood up.
David Allison.
This guy gets it.
The Value Graphics database, the first statistically accurate measurement of what everyone in the world really cares about. He speaks to organizations internationally.
You have to be interested in these things. These are going to change our world. For meeting and event professionals all over the world, the people who put on meetings and events and conferences, the restrictions on gathering have caused an unprecedented level of uncertainty. MPI has always been at the center of the global business of meetings and trying to find solutions to outside forces of all different kinds. The MPI World Education Congress in Grapevine, Texas this year will be no different. This is going to be our opportunity to respond to the current state of the world. I'll be presenting from the main stage, and I'm also going to do a master class so we can dive deeper for those who are interested. Data that's never been available before for this industry, that points right to the heart of what makes meetings and events so powerful. What do people who go to meetings and events really care about? What do they really value? Because once you know this, once you know what people care about most, you can plan your meeting or your event to give them more of that and not worry too much about the things they don't care as much about at all. I'm going to share the most powerful triggers that you can use to change behavior and increase attendance at your events. I'm going to share the buttons you need to push to boost enthusiasm and engagement for the meetings and events that you're working on right now. This is the first time this data has ever been available, and it will be vital, more important right now than it's ever been before during this amazing recovery, this opportunity to reset that we as an industry have in front of us. MPI has always known that when we meet, we can change the world. My vision is to use our shared values to change the way we look at the world. Imagine what we're going to be able to do together. I can't wait to see you at Grapevine. I can't wait to get on that stage and share this data with you and together figure out the future of the meeting and events industry. We'll see you there.